another stock that will be in focus today is Indiabulls Housing Finance, because the rights issue is going to be closing today. So, and well, we remember that it's an issue worth more than 3,600 crore rupees. So, Samit, what options do investors have over here?
Well, today is the last day to subscribe to the Indiabulls rights issue. Now, the company was looking to raise close to 3,693 crore rupees, and the funds would be used by the company to boost their capital base. Now, the rights issue price was 150, which was at a discount of around 25% when it was announced with its current market price, and the rights ratio was for every 2 shares of Indiabulls Housing, an investor would have got an additional rights issue share. Now, this rights issue opened on Feb 7th, and today is the last day. Now, the payment of terms, if you see on application, one needs to pay around 50 rupees, and the remaining 100 rupees of the rights issue was supposed to be paid anytime over the next 12 months as per the offer document of the company. Now, at this point, what is the option available with investors? Now, if they want to increase exposure to its Indiabulls Housing, then they have to subscribe to the rights issue and keep a track of the next payment date, which could come anytime over the next 12 months time period. If they do not want to, if they actually want to decrease their exposure towards Indiabulls Housing, then they should sell the original shares and actually subscribe to the rights issue, because they'll hold less number of shares, and this will also free up some capital for them going forward. Now, if they want to maintain their exposure in Indiabulls Housing, then they should subscribe to rights issue shares and sell similar quantity of original shares. For instance, if an investor owned around 50 shares of Indiabulls Housing originally, then they would have got additional 25 rights issue shares. So they should sell 25 original shares and subscribe to rights issue shares. This will also free up some capital for them going forward. Now, also going forward, the partly paid shares of Indiabulls Housing Finance are expected to list on both the exchanges by the end of this month, and investors could get a profitable exit even in the partly paid shares seen in the past instances. Like for Grasim and Bharti Airtel, the partly paid shares are currently trading at a profit compared to their earlier price. So keep an eye out for Indiabulls Housing shares. The partly paid shares are expected to get listed by the end of this month.
Absolutely, Samit. So we'll definitely be keeping an eye on Indiabulls Housing.